He's probably gonna do the Cobra.
Whoa! That'll get you hard.
That's number 0. Check the pattern information. Double negative. You don't Sure you heard it.
Well, if this is been like about the 12, it's going to get the land just like what happened right here. It'll actually split the skin over. It will actually start letting the blood drain out. What it does is break down muscle tissue. Yep. Well, that blood's got to go somewhere. If it don't go nowhere, it just keeps getting bigger and bigger. When I put that light right there, in what, 15 minutes a day? Up to here, my shoulder was just big. And black. If I was just completely blue, my hands started. It just blew it over. And then I got to the hospital. And then everyone kept on. So, you know, there's all kinds of big things that happen with straight line, you know. And we do this stuff we like it. It's fun.
Quite what the
Really? Yeah. Yeah, it's fun. But people, that's the thing you do really seriously.
So these are the ones that's not local in this area right here.
Oh, yeah, they're local. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You got those, you got prairie rattlers.
On this side of the state?
I hope so. So you're getting into the piney woods over here.
You're gonna be leaving or people are gonna lose your spot. You hear me?
That right there, that's the best friend you got if you get this. That cell phone right there is the best friend you got. You call somebody, I don't care who it is. You call somebody and let them come to you. I tell this story. I grew up with Choppa. We had a lake cabin. Very good friend of mine, we hunted rattlesnakes together. Kind of like these gentlemen do from Sanford. And that orthopedic surgeon, you made your day when you get to the hospital. Safely. Safely. Get yourself transported. Take off. Driving like a crazy person.
What's the intentional time usually? What's your intentional time like?